Zaś się pomyliłem. Dobra. Witam. Ja jestem Niklaus, a to jest gra... Pokażę, żeby nie... A już nie mogę. W każdym razie... Nie chodząca śmierć. Znaczy, tak byśmy tłumaczyli dosłownie. Czyli... The Walking Dead. Czyli... Żywe trupy. I co? I gramy. To jest na streamie, jest na YouTubie. Nie obiecuję, że wrzucę całą grę, bo może mi się odechcieć. Często tak mam, że mi się odechciewa. Ale póki co... No nie wiem, dajcie na YouTubie odzew tam pod spodem w komentarzach, czy wam to chcecie, czy nie. Nie wiem. Ja tu będę czytał komentarze z czata na bieżąco, bo tak to będzie. Na streamie tak to bywa właśnie. Tak, zaczynamy od początku. Ja z tych gier od Telltale grałem w Wolf Among Us. Bardzo mi się podobało. I gramy. Jest po polsku, z napisami, wszystko super. Jedziemy. Witam Pele. Tego mi się nie odechce. Fajnie by było. Gra przystosowuje się do twoich wyborów, historia zależy od tego jak grasz. Dobrze. Żywe trupy! No bo martwe się nie ruszają, to jest taki żart słowny. No będzie. Nie! Jestem czarny! I no nie to!
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Czemu tak sądzisz?
Why do you say that?
You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
And what do you say?
I say, yep, I know you didn't.
Aha, a ja teraz mogę się rozglądać. Muszę sobie to trochę ściszyć. Jesteś latynosem, czujesz się lepiej. Gorzej. A oczywiście, moi drodzy, za wszystkie spoilery jakiekolwiek na czacie zezwalam moderatorom na odstrzał z miejsca. Ordnung muss sein. Nie ma litości. Dla spoilerowatości. Spoileren sagen wir raus.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
You're from Macon, then?
Yep, came up to Atlanta to be a city cop in the 70s. I always wanted to work a murder case, like that senatorial mess you got yourself mixed up in. With all due respect. A real shame, that is.
Nie widziałem nic z tej gry.
Family used to be regulars at your folks' drugstore right in downtown. Still there?
Sure is.
Good.
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it. But that box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy. I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You wanna know how I see it?
Zasmuciłem się. Pały.
Sure.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Pierdol go. LOL?
You'll have to learn to stop worrying about things you can't control. I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Officers are available for incoming 217.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop, that that's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious, if I do say so. This
Ale jebło. Shit.
Oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah! Fuck! My leg.
O. O panie. Dobra. Uzdupiamy szybę. Jak się z tym czujesz, że umarł człowiek starszy? Kurde.
I need to drag myself out that window.
Z buta wjeżdżam. Ej, czajcie? Czarny żyje, biały nie żyje. Czy to jest niekanoniczne? To nie jest w kanonie.
The officer's shotgun is over there.
Będę ryczał przy tej grze, a ja jestem taki raczej twardy, bez serca. Ale zobaczymy. Mam shotguna.
Looks empty.
No to... No, to bez
It'll be
znaczenia.
easier to carry with these cuffs off.
Ho! Raczej, że tak. Co to jest? Nabój do szczelby. Weźmy go sobie. W ogóle, czy tu jest coś takiego jak jakieś save'y i tak dalej? Bo ja na przykład chciałbym to w to grać tak, że jak będę jakieś błędy popełniał, to nie chcę ich odwoływać. Na przykład nie tak jak w Wiedźminie, że jak coś zepsułem, to sobie wczytuję save'a i jadymy. Córek. Tylko po prostu jak tu ktoś dednie, albo coś takiego, to ja tego nie cofię już. Ja po prostu... jadymy dalej z tematem. Chcę być konsekwentny.
Looks empty.
Ale mogę naładować
It'll be
przed...
easier to carry with these
Aha,
cuffs off.
aha, dobra, on chce najpierw zdjąć. Life is Strange widziałem trochę i nie podobało mi się jakoś za superancko. Tak jak Wolf Among Us. No,
Officer?
myślę, że on jest...
God damn.
Myślę, że on
Officer?
To jest kipnięty już. Ameno dorime. Ameno. Ameno dori. Siema Crackers. Shit. He. Takie tam żarty.
Officer? Holy shit!
Oh, fuck!
Get away from me!
Strzelba! Strzelba! Kurwa! Ty pało!
Don't make me do this!
Kurwa! Shit! Ale akcje! Kurde bele! To było dobre.
His skin's all rotten and he smells like shit. What the hell is this?
Dlaczego ja tak z cyklu?
Are you dead? Hey! Are you dead?
I think he's dead by now.
Help! Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
No i... Oh fuck. Ej, to jest masakrycznie głośno. Wam się też tak wydaje? Mi się wydaje. O. Dobra, my już idźmy stąd. Jaki ja jestem kaleczny. Poezja.
Hello? Anybody?
I don't think so.
I'd fill one of those teacups with some bourbon if I could.
Pa do Bourbona. Nie wolno pić alkoholu. Alkohol szkodzi zdrowiu.
Help!
Help!
No ladder. I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is.
Przyglądać się zombie. Spoko.
Anybody up there? Somebody! Yell hell if you can hear me?
Chyba nie ma.
No ladder. I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is. I wonder if anybody's home. Is there anybody here?
Czy jest ktoś w chałupie?
Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help. Coming in. Don't shoot, okay? Ah! Shit. Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them.
Nie można podpowiadać mi nic. Podpowiadanie jest bardzo zabronione.
These people might need more help than I do.
Strictly forbidden. Schrecklich verboten. Surowo zabronione. Jakieś malunki dziecięce. O ciul! Kloś zdłech się. Na kałuży krwi. Jesteśmy napojeni. Co to?
This place has been ransacked. Just about anything worthwhile is gone.
W sumie. Mikrota, falówka, radio. Ten. Wiecie. Krótkofalówka. Ej, no jest coś tam, a on tego nie
There
bierze.
are 3 new messages.
To nie do mnie, bo to nie mój dom.
The Marsh House. That's a Savannah area code. But that's the type of note you'd leave a babysitter.
Co tam jest?
The Marsh
A,
House.
dobra.
That's a Savannah area code. But that's the type of note you'd leave a babysitter.
Myślałem, że coś tam, jakiś inny wniosek wysnuje. A, jeszcze tu można półeczki przeszukać. Jak najbardziej.
What's that beeping?
Co tak pika? Pika pika! Pika pi! To polecam film na YouTubie Pikachu and Acid. Walkie-talkie, tak. Walkie-talkie jeszcze można to nazwać. Niklaus Szabrownik. Ha! W końcu.
There are 3 new messages.
Nie bez kozery. A, bo nie powiem. Bo hate stop się przypierdoli.
Jesus.
Jezus! A, to było. To sorry. Szefie.
Maybe there's something on there.
3 new messages. Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my God, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3, left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Podejrzewam, że starzy kojfli.
Daddy?
Huh? Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. They tried to get me, but I'm hiding until my parents come home.
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think, where the boats are.
Where are you?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
O kurwa! Sputa! Łotka! Dawaj to! Jeszcze raz! Jeszcze!
Man. Hi there.
O pierunie.
Did you kill it?
Yes! I'm pretty sure.
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
To subowanie telefonicznie to jest jakoś tak, że niektóre sieci tego nie obsługują, ale można sobie cardem, przelewem i tam wszystkimi innymi metodami, także także coś tam każdy dla siebie znajdzie. Poszukajmy pomocy zanim się ściemni. Wynośmy się stąd jak tylko zajdzie słońce. Pomoc szukać zanim się ściemni to jest narażenie się na bycie widocznym przez zombie i w ogóle. A zachodzenie po nocy ma też... Idziemy po nocy.
We need to get out of this neighborhood. It's not safe. We're less likely to be seen if we move at night.
Tu my są
My parents
miarę
might come
bezpieczni.
home.
We won't go far. We'll try to find shelter and come back here with others.
That sounds good. We can hide in my treehouse until then.
It'll be a tough climb with this leg, but that's a good
Opatrz
idea.
mi tą nogę.
Let's go. Stay close to me. Now let's stay quiet. We'll head out to the front yard and follow the road out of the neighborhood.
Okay.
It'll be okay. Stay near me, and we'll move as fast as we can.
Ej, ale będzie potem jakiś kałach, nie? I te, no... Bazuka. Czy coś. Chuj z nogą. Co tam noga? Co tam, że kuśtykam jak paralityk? A, dam se radę. It's not a problem, my friend. Miotacz ognia, o. Tak, mam, kupiłem sobie oba sezony. Ej, no bez jaj. Ona jest zdrowa i szybka, a ja jestem chory i wolny. I ona mnie jeszcze puszcza przodem. Chyba, żeby mnie te zombie pierwszego zjadły. To jest jakaś taktyka jej, tej małej krowy. Nie, dobra, idzie. Co to są, hasie wysypane?
Are we going to die?
Nie!
No, I'm sure we're fine.
Nie umrzymy.
Stay down! Georgia State Patrol!
Dude, he won't listen to that.
Okay!
Ej, bez jaj. Inwazja zombie, a on teraz będzie bandytów
Shit,
łapał.
you're not one of those things.
A,
Neither of us are.
pardonks.
Oh, damn, you've got a little girl.
We're sorry.
Oh, damn.
Well, Andre's sorry about that.
It's Officer Mitchell.
My name's Sean. Sean Green. This is Andre.
Officer Mitchell.
Did
Andrzej?
you see any of those things? One of them just got our buddy Chet.
No w lesie widziałem dużo. Prawdę
I
mówię.
saw a lot in the forest, but that was a while ago.
Yeah, one we're looking for is still in the neighborhood.
Oh shit. You hurt your leg pretty bad. Look, help us find the thing that got our buddy, and we'll take you and your daughter down to my dad's farm to safety. He should be able to fix your leg up too.
I'm not a dad.
Sąsiadem. Lepiej troszkę
Neighbor.
kłamać.
Her parents are out of town.
Whoever you are, let's get a move on.
We just were.
Oh shit. It's Chet.
To Chet!
Let's go! Get to my car! Go!
Strzelej! Strzelej! Głupi! Joby strzelą. Ale moda jest spokojnie, ona się nie boi.
Say hi to your dad for me.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, Sean. Chet was a good dude.
one of the best.
Take care of you two.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I ran into Andre outside of Atlanta, and Chet, he got killed.
No. You're kidding.
Those things got him. Dad, I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, Sean. You've brought a couple guests.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad he could be a help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter then.
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Jakby,
Honey, do you know
jakby to
this
było
man?
ważne takie.
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
No,
Yeah,
kurde.
it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Ej, ta noga wygląda jakby mi zaraz miała odlecieć, nie? Ale oni się tym chyba nie przejmują tak. A szczególnie ja się tym nie przejmuję.
Let's have a look.
Co się stanie? Co się
This
stanie?
is swollen to hell.
O panie, kolego. Ale ja jestem twardy. O, mogło być gorzej.
It'd be worse.
That's what it sounds like. Seems like things got awful bad in the cities. What did you say your name was?
Lee.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
Ja nie wiem, czy to jest dobry pomysł.
Car accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
Home.
Trzeba kłamać.
Where's home?
I grew up in Macon. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
I was with a police
Ja tam
officer.
od razu mówię wprost.
He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice.
Prawie.
of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
Prawie wprost.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there when we're done here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
With what happened to your friend, maybe that's not a bad idea.
It smells like...
Gówno.
Shit. I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that.
A.
That was a swear.
No. A co?
I missed my mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
Ej, ta noga to mi zgnije, oni nawet tego nie odkazili. A to wyglądało jak rana na 5 cm do środka nogi. O curwa, mam jazdy.
Hey, get up.
O, redneck. Get up, nigga.
I'm itchy.
Nigga.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Dodging or quacking?
Quacking.
Dad!
A,
See?
tak myślałem.
The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
No,
I'll see what the
zapytam.
girl would like.
Zapytamy.
Gotta consult the missus. I understand. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Nie ufam tej babie, jakaś taka jaszczurza jest. Jaszczurzy pysk ma, jak kapitan jaszczur. Mogę już normalnie łazić szybko? No, powiedzmy. Dopóki oczywiście noga mi nie uschnie.
Hey there, girls. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
What?
Oh,
Kiedy?
how was that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah.
Co?
So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
So, What do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale. Like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Kurde,
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
That's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
ej, ja wam powiem, że jakby była inwazja zombie, chyba że to Amerykanie mają taki luz, ale jakby była inwazja zombie, to ja bym się nie zastanawiał nad tym, czy ja będę mógł do swojej pracy wrócić. Tylko czy ja na przykład w nocy mi nie odgryzą dupy. Ale to ja.
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people. Over some, just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
O, pewnie.
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
All of those things.
Those are the things we live for, right? With those gone, what's the point? Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Czy w razie apokalipsy zombie dalej bym streamował? Apokalipsę bym streamował. No, wyobraźcie sobie, moi drodzy, inwazję zombie w Polsce. Najbardziej rozbrojonym kraju Europy. Myślę, że mielibyśmy przejebane. Niemcy tam by się trochę bronili jeszcze, Francuzi bronili, no może by się wtedy bronili. Ale w Polsce to tego nie widzę.
Hey there, Kenny. Need any help?
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
Nah.
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
Nie mam dzieci.
No kids.
Would have liked one then.
You know. How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's, but... We're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See you.
W ogóle w czasie przerwy na Kabanosa mam takie przemyślenia. Zauważyliście, że w Ameryce, jak jest inwazja zombie, to potem się zaraz tak dzieje, że wojsko tworzy jakieś dystrykty i w ogóle zamiast pomagać ludziom, to do nich strzelają i tak dalej, i izolują i w ogóle jak pod ludzi traktują. Chyba nie szanują obywatela. Siema Adriano, to jest zajebista gra, tak? To się cieszę. Nikt nie wie, co to zombie i czemu się zmieniają. Znaczy, jak już jest apokalipsa, to rozumiem, że to może nie być pierwsza myśl do tego, czemu, tylko żeby się jakoś obronić, nie?
Do you think this thing will keep them out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification pass, if you will. We'll lock this place up good.
Siema, kruzerek. Rozmiar czatu można sobie zmienić na tych 3 kropkach. U góry są takie 3 kropki i tam są wszystkie opcje, te co były. Kolor, rozmiar i tak dalej.
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
No nie wiem. Siema, Finiaus.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Was the boy one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one, maybe, if it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
My brother and parents are in Macon. I hope.
Oh man, I hope so too. Maybe it's not too bad there. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
I'm sorry about your friend.
Thanks. I appreciate it, man. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Nie, ja nie oglądałem serialu The Walking Dead, ani nic nie czytałem, ani nic takiego. Siema, trawienny, witam cię.
You know how to drive it?
Fajny
Sure
Ursus.
don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Tośmy se pomachali.
How you doing, Duck?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
No spoko.
How you doing, Duck?
Dobra,
I'm
to
gonna
już
drive the
żeśmy gadali.
tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Dymy do ojca. Co ojciec robi?
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
Cześć Mateusz.
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This
Kurde.
farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh. Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Yeah, I was looking for help in her house.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
O kurwa.
Go! I'll get my gun!
Co jest? Kurwa. Dobra, młodego wezmę. No, głupku.
I got you.
We're almost through!
Now show.
Get this tractor off of me! Please, help me, please!
Szybko poszło, powiem szczerze. Myślałem, że będą ginąć wolniej.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. And you didn't even try to help.
Znaczy to moja wina, w sumie to ja przeproszę.
I'm sorry. Look at him. Sorry is no damn good. Please, just go. Get out and never come back.
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
W sumie to nie umiałbym wytłumaczyć, czemu ratowałem młodego. Tak jakoś odruchowo się ratuje młodego, bo się człowiek filmów naoglądał, nie? Że dziecko to trzeba uratować. Aż walłem w mikrofon.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Głupie, ale tak to działa.
Look!
Hey there! You friendly? Truck's run out of gas.
No.
Fuck!
Friendly.
We're trapped!
O shit.
Run!
No weapon.
We can't take risks like this.
Było
And we
krzyczeć.
can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. They could be dangerous.
Nie!
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
In a minute, Clint.
Jim. Jim.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
She's not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate it. Now let's settle down.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now. Over my dead body. We'll dig one hole.
No!
O kurwa.
I'm cleaning him up. There's no
O
bite.
kurwa.
He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it?
O
We've
kurwa.
already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
Lee, what do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle
But
this.
your heart, Dad. You need to calm down.
We reason with him.
With the bloody end of an axe handle, maybe. Nobody threatens my boy.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter. But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten! That's how you turn!
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
What if this was your daughter?
Never would have happened. She's not some snot-nosed toddler, okay? She's United States Air Force.
Fuck you and her. I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee!
Yeah?
There's someone in there!
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little
Jak
girl.
on dupczy.
It's a little boy. I think we can handle him.
A little boy? He'll be an uncontrollable man-eater.
It's not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now!
No! You don't touch that boy! You
Nie
don't
damy.
touch anybody! I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here too. You want to get violent, Joel?
Nie damy.
Well, come on! You better have a plan to kill me though, because it's me before anyone else in here!
Jesus!
Jesus! Pierę mnie.
Get away from her, you son of a bitch! Man.
You okay?
Shit.
Just great, thanks.
Guys?
Everybody down! Stay quiet!
They're gonna get in. Shut up.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for whatever it is.
We
Umbrella.
almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was...
Dad!
No i most. Herzschlag.
What's wrong with it?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills?
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Kurde, no i ja teraz go będę z dobrego sumienia ratował, no.
Another entrance. Maybe through the office.
How do you know that's an office?
Educated guess.
It doesn't matter.
Educated guess.
We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
Then I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
You crazy, nigga.
You're
Znaczy,
insane.
Well, it's gotta get done.
chłopcze, biały.
Plus, I'm quick.
Białawy.
And I know Macon.
Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot.
Born and raised.
Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug.
You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
Ej, to jakby były te... jakby były inwazja zombie w Bytomiu, to ja bym miał większe szanse, bo ja jestem born and bred. I bym znał wszystkie tajne zaułki i bym się skrył w piwnicy, bym się zamknął. A my tu mamy takie piwnice, które były budowane tak, że miały służyć też za chron przeciwlotniczy. Tak Niemcy budowali porządnie. Także tu by nas zombie nie wzięły żywcem, znaczy ani w ogóle.
Central High-Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years. What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
Ociulinges. Panie, ja kończyłem... Ja maturę pisałem, liceum kończyłem, a nie radioznawstwo. Ja obstawiam taką tajemniczą opcję, że nie ma bateriów. Coś tak czuję. Ha!
There are no
Yes!
batteries in this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course.
No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
W ogóle, moi drodzy, nie wiem czy wiecie, ale jakoś za niedługo od Telltale w tej samej stylistyce co The Walking Dead wychodzi gra o Batman. O Batmanie. Także pewnie będzie fajna, bo oni fajne te gry robią.
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah. That guy saved you?
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are. They were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute. In that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Parents'
Oh, nothing.
basement sort of way, czyli taki piwniczniak Bordo, pozdro dla kumatych. Ciekawe czy wyjdzie sezon Wilka. No super by było, bo Wilk był zajebisty.
How'd you end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Sounds worth it. I'm still looking for batteries for that thing.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
I better get back to it.
Yep.
Dobra, baterie. No, to muszą być. Co to było? Eastern Egg Hunt. The IT guy. A ja nie potrzebuję pracy w tym momencie akurat.
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal
Dobry.
yet.
Dobry
no, the gate
wariat.
up there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Not right now.
All right, let me know if you want to.
Dobra, te baterie by się przydały, nie?
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead cards.
He, kurde, ale to jest Witzman, nie? Same czarne ludzie. That's racist. Ej, w ogóle oglądałem dużo gameplayów z Battlefielda 1 i wiecie, że ten murzyn w niemieckiej armii to nie jest odosobniony przypadek. Tam normalnie co drugi żołnierz po niemieckiej stronie jest czarny w tym Battlefieldzie. I jeżeli to się nie zmieni do czasu premiery, to ja będę miał poważny problem w to grać, no bo to mnie będzie gdzieś tam podświadomie z tyłu głowy męczyć, że to jest efekt szalejącej, zgniłej, czerwonej poprawności politycznej lewackiej. I to jest obrzydliwa rzecz. Ja się na to nie godzę jako Europejczyk, jako Ślązak, jako gracz. No. I jako człowiek, który zna historię trochę.
We can't let anything happen to Ducky.
I know, hon.
Baterie. Jako chrześcijanin. I jako chrześcijanin. I jako chrześcijanin. Właśnie, katolik. Ale to już widzieliśmy w sumie. Siema Matix. Copies.
We just need to get back to Fort Lauderdale.
We'll do our damnedest.
Bo to debilstwo. No to jest najlepszy argument, bo to debilstwo i tak nie było. To jest to jest najprostsze wyjaśnienie.
I don't remember them very well.
Try to get some rest, hon.
How can I with those things out there?
Jak tam młody się trzymiesz?
Hey, Lee. Really gave that old man hell.
Yeah. We got pushed, you know?
You don't have to tell me. I was ready to tear the man's head off. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
How's Duck doing?
He's okay. It was just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
No kidding.
How's she doing?
Czy ona se radzi nieźle jak na dziecko?
She's a tough one right there.
She's just a little girl, Ken.
Were you saying, Lee, she spent days surviving on her own?
That's right.
Not just any little girl can do that.
What's a plan?
What's the plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
You said your family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
They're gone.
Oh my goodness. Do you think? How?
I just know, all right?
Kat, it's not our business.
Are you guys all right?
We're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
Lee, you got a second?
Sure.
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
We didn't even try to save him. That blood is on our hands, you know?
Kurde, gościu. Uratowałem ci syna.
It happened pretty fast.
I guess. But I can't stop seeing him in my head.
We can't kill ourselves over
We killed that boy. We could have saved him together.
We did what we could. Bad things happen. We didn't make a choice that killed Sean. You think you do when you look back on it. But in a moment, when things are really out of control, you don't have any choice.
I guess.
Try to let it go.
Aż mu się wąs tak curved. A, dobra. Co tam się dzieje? A ty tam leż se pod ścianą.
How's he doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry.
Lily
I
Larry.
was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, that didn't help.
Kurde, no twój ojciec jest pierdolnięty w mózg. I bez to się to zdarzyło. Taka jest moja recepta.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
He's got a temper.
Ah, fuck you.
Yeah, he
No.
doesn't mean it.
It's just that
Yeah?
Jasne.
we've got kids here. Families.
He and I are a family.
I'm just saying some people can't handle a temper like that. Hell, barely seems like you can.
It's just his way. Don't make him the reason everything's screwed. Where's her mom?
No, nie wiem.
Savannah, I think.
Oh, you guys aren't together.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad. I found her in a house when getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself. I think the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh.
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with a sitter. It wasn't good.
Well, she's lucky to have you.
Dziękuję pięknie Crackers za suba. Ja tylko tego subka tutaj uzupełnię, żeby nie było. Żeby było, żeby nie było. Dziękuję pięknie Crackers. I polecam się na przyszłość. I polecam ten styl życia Crackersa.
You're from here?
Dzięki
I
piękne.
work at Warner Robins, the Air Force base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky. You?
I work up at UGA. Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Szokłech.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to stick together and get through this.
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. No, jest takie życie. Baton. Nie, ja? Baton. Baton zawsze na propsie. Damy młodej. To będzie dobrze. Drugi baton. Kurde, w tej grze to się może wszystko przydać, moi drodzy. Wiecie jak to zrobimy? Idzie zombie, napiera, a ty mu tak. Masz batona, a on... I ty spierdalasz wtedy, nie? Czajcie motyw? Ucieczki?
Hey there.
Hi.
Any word from Glenn?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Yeah, I think so. You're doing a good job. Can I, get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
I'll see about that. So,
Are you okay?
what? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
Yeah, I think so. Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Yep.
Well, sit tight.
Okay.
Kurde, moda mo nerwy. Fes. Ej, dam jej batona.
It's not much, but here you go.
Mos,
Thank
żerej.
you.
Of course.
Jezus Maria, zaopiekowałeś się Clementine, a ja przeczytałem zapakowałeś Clementine. Dobrze, że źle przeczytałem. Shit. Przepraszam. My mistake.
Damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted. Looks like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
Dobra. Ej, dam jej batona, co? Żerej.
Here, I've been finding some stuff to eat.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Are you sure your girl doesn't need it?
She's good. I've been trying to keep her fed and watered.
Dałem już
You're a
jej.
good caretaker.
Thanks.
Nie chcę zje baba, bo baby są słabe.
This battery should fit the radio.
Great, thanks.
No to odpalamy.
I'm still looking for batteries for that.
No przecież dałem jej.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Babo głupia.
Hey, Carly.
Dobra.
I better get back
Podryw
to
na
it.
batona. Próbowałem. Próbowałem, ale chyba się nie dała. Aha! A, jeszcze jedną trzeba widzicie, no dobra. Ja myślałem, że tam były dwie. A, no nie, no to dobra. Wszystko jasne. O, jest! Przez przypadek na nią wlazłem. Przypadki są najlepsze. Na kasztana. Albo na baterię. Rzucasz baterią. Mówisz, hej mała, czy to twoja bateria? Tak właśnie leżała i pomyślałem o tobie. Cóż. Tak może więc z kuli tego byśmy coś... Tyn?
And here's another one.
Should be able to get it to work now.
Yes!
It's still not working?
Yeah, I can't figure it out.
Let me have a look at that thing.
Go ahead.
Poka to, baby to nie umią nic.
Nothing.
Nie no, panie, volume trzeba dać. Ej, źle baterię dała, głupia. Przecież tu jest... Co za baba. Jesus Christ. Na opak baterie były. Pa.
You fixed it.
Naprawiłem.
The estimated death toll continues to skyrocket. WABE urges you to stay indoors and avoid any contact with individuals you suspect may have been exposed.
The station is okay.
In the event of a full... my producer's telling me we have to get off the air.
Steve.
WABE wishes you and your loved one... God bless you all.
God bless you. A, nie ma wesoło według mnie. No ale spoko. Jeszcze coś chcesz sprawiać?
Hey there.
Hey there. Is everything alright?
That radio sign-off didn't sound too good. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Chyba...
You don't have to be. It's traumatic.
I'm sure some people got out. Maybe they're all being rescued. Then again, maybe not.
Carly zwróciła uwagę na twoją troskę. Jestem wzruszony. Dobra.
How we doing?
Good. Wanna go have a look around outside?
Dobra, mogę iść.
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
Jesus.
Shit. O.
Think I'm gonna be...
They just
eat. As far as I can tell, that's all they care about.
And if one gets you,
they eat you. And whatever's left comes back as one of them.
How the fuck?
I think it might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
Yeah, I think so too. We better keep it down out of here.
O, powiem wam, Taki obraz. Wygląda to jeszcze gorzej jak piekarska w Bytomie po 22, a oto ciężko.
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Too bad we don't have a way to come out here and watch the news.
Would be nice to know what's going on elsewhere.
Atlanta's in rough shape, and that's all I know. Look at the one trapped over there.
Ha! Jak głupi, dobrze. Everett. Ej, to ten hop co na ścianie wisiał.
What? Do you know that guy?
Kind of, he has a familiar face.
Oh, you're from around here, huh? Could be anybody, you know? They start rotting and get all chewed up and...
Shut up, Doc. Look at the uniform, though. He could have worked at the drugstore and died with keys in his pocket.
It would take a lot of effort to make it safe enough to go out there and see if he has the keys. If we could somehow prove that he worked here, I think it'd be worth it.
I'll see what I can find. Man, that's a hasty fortification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Tak zwane zrobione na odpierdyl.
It's a combination lock.
To jego matka, tak. Na pewno.
Hey man, what are you doing? We can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
We should think about searching that guy across the street.
Maybe he has them, but who knows if he actually worked here.
How'd you end up here?
Well, I moved here to live with my uncle. He does tech stuff and it just made sense.
So you're local. You probably knew the owners of this place.
No, not really. I've only been here a couple months and I spend a lot of time...
On the computer?
No, just doing my own thing. What about you?
I grew up here. Been trying to get home since the day I came back.
Oh, so you probably knew the owners then?
Yeah, I did. Good people.
Siema ekspertyza, witam, witam. Tu coś jest. Cegła? Myślałem, że jakaś flacha. Dobra, chyba wszystko już mamy obadane. Ruszać się tu nie można. Dobra, wracamy do środka.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
Siema Rumcajs, witam. Oględziny terenowe wykonane. Co my tu teraz więcej możemy zrobić jeszcze? Zdeformowani. Tak. Siema Lonely Wolf, witam. Sorry, we are closed. Ej, jakby dać taką tabliczkę, uwaga, zamknięte na drzwi, to może zombie by myślały, że zamknięte i nie wchodziły. A? Perfect. A jeszcze mamy... A ja nie jestem authorized personal. Ja jestem unauthorized black guy. But I hope it might be just for an instance. Genialne. No kurde, nikt nie próbował wcześniej.
I can't think about them in here.
O pieronie. Co się sam stanęło?
This door leads to the back alley.
Exit. Pewnie by podziałało. Myślę, że tak by było.
There's a photo over there.
No to kukmal. Ej, to jest moje familio. Bracik i ojce. Fater z muti. Pam oderwał
Find
się.
anything?
Jerona. I co teraz?
It's a photo of the family who own this place. Might help us track down the keys to the office.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
Nope.
No. I've been sticking to first names for a reason.
Well, good. You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Kurde, dobrze, Babon jest po mojej stronie. Co prawda nie umie wkładać baterii do radia, ale to i tak dobrze.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it.
Kurde, może coś z tego będzie. Zobaczymy.
My parents came in here hoping to survive, but it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least. First aid kit.
Kurde, bieremy first aida.
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
Co? Kto ma większe szanse na wygrane w meczu, Polska czy Portugalia? Nie wiem. Nie wiem, kto ma większe szanse. O! To jest tak zwany sztil. Sztil od śmiatki. Znaczy od tej łony. Od shipy. Siema,
This was
Knysiu.
my dad's cane.
Nie,
He'd
to jest
zip around here
krika.
on it from time to time.
To jest krika.
Was he sick?
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
No, teraz będzie cegówkę szło tym dostać.
I ought to clear a path to opening that door. Better get this door clear, huh?
Can I help?
Sure.
Sure.
Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers. How are you doing?
Yeah, it's not that heavy.
How about with everything outside?
It's not good,
No, it's not.
but I think it'll be okay.
Okay, here we go.
Do you have kids?
Nope.
You don't have a family?
Let's not talk about that. Do you play sports?
I play soccer, but I don't really like it.
I'm not crazy about it either. All right, a little further.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, hate you?
Because they're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You didn't know.
Zoker.
I'm just sorry for being mean.
Co to za sport? Zoker.
Look, my family's gone and I just wish things...
Fußball.
Yeah.
I got into some trouble and I didn't talk to them for a while. This used to be their store. But let's just keep that between you and me, okay?
Okay. Because of the trouble?
Yeah, that's right. Now, let's get this done.
Ow!
Are you okay?
I hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
I'll find you a bandage.
No i teraz straci palce. I tam coś jeszcze jest, dobra. Tu mamy bandagę. Tak, ale głos ma świetny. Ten naczelny murzyn, taki kojący, uspokajający.
Let's have a look at that finger.
Pokano tego palca.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it.
It hurt? Chyba it hurts.
Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please. Lee?
Yeah?
What if my parents come home and I'm not there?
Myślę, że nie grozi nam sytuacja pokroju powrotu rodziców.
Lee?
They'll, track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. We should keep a lookout. I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Dziewczynka to jest ciemniejsza. No taka jakaś... ale... Dajmy spokój.
It's the remote to my dad's TV.
A będzie szło włączyć telewizory, przypuszczam, w sklepie. I one się tam przypłoszą. Nie, tu jest telewizor, a dobra.
That's what I figured.
No ale nic tam nie ma.
That's what I figured.
That's what I figured. Ja mogę te krika wziąć. Polsat blokuje. Tak.
The keys are on that zombie out on the street.
O, w sumie lepiej nie oglądać, bo i tak nie ma co. Dobra, no co, no wydupiamy. Siema Akmin, siema. Solo szczuwa, żebyśmy czasem coś nie obejrzeli.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee?
Yeah?
What?
You're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Powiem półprawdę.
It's complicated. Sometimes things happen or you do things and you can't explain them. Let's head back to the others.
No i tak to było. Kurde, ale Cox, nie podpowiadaj, bo zaraz będzie banik. Nie wolno takie rzeczy gadać, ja sobie dam radę. Ej, modemu też mógłbym dać batona w sumie. Mody. Na.
It's not much, but here. For the board.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
Hey there, this is Glenn, and I'm kinda in a jam here. Little girl, if you're there, can you put your daddy on the phone? Or on the talkie, or whatever?
This is Lee. What's up?
So, I'm down at that motor inn, and, well, I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, I saw a chance to get some supplies for the group, and a bunch of the Roman ones got the jump on me. I'm hiding over here, but they won't leave.
What's up?
Glenn's trapped down at the motor inn. Hey, Glenn, we're gonna talk it over and send a group to come get you, all right?
Awesome. I'll sit tight till then.
Sounds good. I'm gonna hold on to this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good care of it.
What do you think?
I think Doug's not great around zombies. You got your family here. I'll take Carly and her dead eye down to the motor inn, get Glenn, and get back here as fast as I can.
If that's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a jog.
No i spoko. Jak to się na plac? Aha, do tego hopa trzeba podejść. Ty se tutaj umieraj. Dobra, synek, idziemy.
How we doing?
Good. Wanna go have a look around outside?
Tak, już my tam byli, ale jeszcze raz idziemy.
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
Teraz zrobimy taki motyw.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
Well, I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Zombie się wyłączą i padną wszystkie na Wojerona.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? That got a few of them to take notice.
But not enough.
Dobra, tą cegówkę trzeba wziąć tą kriką, co my tam widzieli, dlatego wracam po nią.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
Zombie poszły oglądać mecz. Jedyne co mi się tu nie podoba, że tu nie można biegać, ale w sumie nie ma za bardzo miejsca, to może nie ma co narzekać. Z trzeciej strony. Ten tutaj, tam koif nie zaro chyba? Ej, bierzemy ta kryja. Ej, ale nie idzie tego wziąć. Jakżeż to? Nie ma opcji takiej, żeby to podnieść. Chyba, że to mi się ta opcja potem jakoś dopiero odblokuje. Nie lubię takich rzeczy, bo ja wiem na przykład, że to będzie potrzebne. To jest logiczne. Jak przytrzymam shift, to chodzę tak samo. Muszę poklikać na cegłę, no tak myślałem właśnie. I to jest takie głupie, nie? Bo wy to wiecie, że trzeba, każdy to wie, ale gra myśli, że my tego nie wiemy i tak się kończy. Siema Ranhadun, witam Erak, witam wszystkich bardzo serdecznie. Ponownie.
How we doing?
Good. Wanna go have a look around outside?
Yes.
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
I can't reach that brick. I can't reach that brick.
No i co?
I can't reach that brick.
No, skrypty. No i to jest takie głupie, głupkowate.
Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass.
Siema Szymon, witam.
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
To już my gadali.
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Karwa. Ej, a mogę te drzwi pilotem przestawić?
Hey man, what are you doing? You can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we can make.
Yeah, I agree. Just need to figure out how to get out there and get them. You wouldn't need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
No, kurde.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
I can't reach that brick.
Może cegówką?
I can't reach that brick. Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass. Those things like TV.
Or at least the sound of it. If they were louder, we might be able to clear the street.
No to daj głośniej.
Do you think we're safe here?
Well, I haven't been able to get through this gate so far. And the drugstore's safe enough, I think. Whoever owned it took good care of it. It's well stocked and it locks up well.
Czekajcie. Pilotem cegły nie idzie niestety. Nie, telewizory przyciągają uwagę, tylko ja muszę tę cegówkę podnieść. A niestety... jakoś... nie idzie.
I can't reach that brick.
Laseczka. No właśnie, nie ma opcji wzięcia laseczki od ojca. Bilbo Bagginsa na ratunek.
Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass. Doug, you want to get this door open?
About that.
You've got the combo, right?
No.
Did anyone ever have it?
Look, man, there were a lot of those things trying to get in here.
And now we can't get back out onto the street.
We're also party to some egregious fire code violations.
No łatwiej.
Gotta knock that lock off of there.
I imagine going out the back door and around is out of the question. If we're gonna help Larry, we need to get this lock off of there.
We break that lock off and I can get out onto the street.
Wracamy.
What's everyone like in there?
Ale pogadajmy jeszcze.
Well, Carly's pretty nice, you know.
Yeah.
Lily doesn't take any crap. She's been running the show, keeping people on watch, things like that. And her dad...
Yeah, that guy.
He's kind of a dick. Pardon my French.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
Idę... Dobra, jeszcze raz. Po laseczkę od Fatra. Ja, tu się coś pojawiło. Menu lodów. Ja, really? Jaka jest to wejście? Ej, Zara. Tu. No i nie ma opcji wzięcia tej laski, no!
That's the door to the pharmacy. We should be able to find pills for Larry in there.
Dlaczego?
Dad told me he bought that TV to watch baseball in here, but I caught him watching his stories more than a few times.
Teraz mam ulepszony pilot.
That's what I figured.
No ma teraz i śpi. Oh, shit. No właśnie nic nie ma pokazane na lasce, jest na drzwiach. Dobra, moda. Idziemy stąd. Nic tu nie ma do nas. Nothing interesting at all. Dobra, czy się dodały jakieś nowe opcje?
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Protipy, jak coś z tym robić? Nie, takie nie, bez przesady z tymi timeoutami i tak dalej. Jak coś takie, no nie, protipy mogą być i takie jakieś tam, takie spoilery, które są oczywistymi niespoilerami, w sensie, że no, wiecie, typu spoiler, zombie umrze i tak dalej. No nie, no bez jaj, to nie, no nie szalejmy, bo zaraz się zostanie 10 ludzi na czacie. Także bez przesady.
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted.
Perfumes.
Central High-Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years. You ready to head out?
You got it. You?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Idziemy.
Get down!
Did you see that?
I sure did. Be ready to shoot.
Hasio ma szkietnik. A! Azjata.
Jesus, Glenn.
Right then wasn't so hard.
Can we get out of here before any of these things notice us?
Not yet. There's a survivor trapped up there.
No way. We gotta go now.
Listen, I was out here looking for gas, and then, up there in the corner room, I heard crying coming from inside.
Who is it?
It's a girl. We talked and she got frightened. I was trying to get in and help her, and she started yelling and saying I was bitten. I tried to convince her I wasn't, and that's when all these guys came out of the forest. A couple almost got me, and I ended up hiding in the ice machine.
Lucky you.
Oh.
Now let's go.
We can't just leave her.
Damn right we can.
You guys are suicidal. Over a girl.
I'm saving her, with or without you.
Think about if it was you.
Fine. Let's go save Glenn's damsel in distress.
Jaka ta baba jest nieużyta, to jest masakra. Mi się wydawało też, że to był śmietnik. Dead by Daylight będzie później. Do obserwowanych się dodaje klikając serduszko niebieskie. Zmienił się wygląd hitboxa i teraz niebieskie serduszko to jest obserwowane. Znaczy tak jak wcześniej, no. Niebieskie serduszko.
So we have to kill every one of them in here. Quietly. Noise attracts these things. Now let's have a look around.
Dobra.
Oh man. She's eating something. So we got that one right there, close.
We can hide by that RV if we're quiet and keep our heads down.
Nie no, według mnie ten nowy wygląd hitboxa jest spoko.
There's one back there, trying to get into a room.
Znaczy tam coś idzie zobaczyć.
I didn't see anyone actually in there.
Albo i nie.
We can hide by that pickup.
The girl's behind that door. Those two seem to be on the scent.
Kurde. Pójdziemy se tamtędy.
We can probably make it over to the RV. Or down to the truck if we're quick and quiet about it.
Dobra, idziemy tam. Ale quiet.
I wonder if there's anything in the pickup.
Musimy obejrzeć.
I think I found a pretty damn good way to stop these guys quietly.
Now we just have to
No.
get it quietly.
Musimy rozdupić szybę.
Ow! Hey man, that drew some attention. Be careful.
I'm done trying to punch out windows. I'm done trying to punch out windows.
No to kolego, ja ci chyba nie pomogę.
I think I found a pretty damn good way to stop these guys quietly.
Now we just have to get it quietly.
Dobra. Nie mogę się dać na dół. O co chodzi?
I think I found a pretty damn
To się
good
chyba...
way to stop these guys quietly.
Now we just have to get it quietly.
Siema Aleksandra. Ej, nie mogę się... Aha, dobra. Teraz umiem.
We can do something with that car, I bet. If it weren't for that fella lurking near the front. Let's head back to that wall. Safe there.
Trzeba raz tak tapnąć po prostu. No rozbij.
Done trying to punch out windows.
Jaki on się jest zawzięty. Jerona.
How are you going to kill that one by the car without attracting the others?
Their groaning attracts the others.
Nie tu. Ej, on tak to cały czas. Dobra, wydupiamy stąd na razie. Cichulcym. Na razie mi się podoba, bardzo mi się podoba. Czekajcie, bo tu... Ej, tu jest jeszcze coś, poduszka. A, widzicie?
There's a pillow over there.
That's about as far as I got when it came to supply gathering.
I might have an idea for it.
Bierzemy.
Good luck smothering them to death.
That's not really what I have in mind.
Oczywiście, że nie poduszka jest do duszenia, tylko po prostu ja wezmę tą poduszkę i będę im podkładał pod głowy i oni będą zasypiać. A ja będę uciekał. Czajcie motyw. Dobrze wykombinowałem, co? Hehe. Spróbujmy pójść tam. Chociaż... Dobra.
We're a little naked out here, except for Carly's gone and we can't use that much.
I'm not sure I can take them both out myself, even if I had a weapon.
Ej, tam szło coś poduszką zrobić, ja? No dobra. Dobra, wracamy i teraz tego. Wystłuczemy okno poduszką, to jest ten way to go. Nie, można tłumik faktycznie zrobić, jak na filmach. Był taki film z Melem Gibsonem, że... Mel Gibson, chyba Gorączka się ten film nazywał, czy coś takiego? Że on takiego gościa pobił, bo on bił prostytutkę i on właśnie przyłożył mu poduszkę do głowy i go zaszczylał. Fajny film bardzo. Polecam sobie zobaczyć. Chyba, ale tytuł chyba zły powiedziałem. A, teraz idzie chycić za klamkę. Zawarte. Szybko poszło.
I love this gun, but it sure isn't quiet.
Ej, ale mam piloła. Nie działa.
There's a pig in the truck.
Find a way to kill that guy before he alerts the others, okay?
Ale...
That one sitting down is just as dangerous as the others.
Czekaj.
What are you gonna do with that?
I don't really know. Do you have any tricks for getting into cars?
Not without tools, or making a bunch of noise, and none with pillows.
Wypierdol!
I'm done trying to punch out windows.
Dobra, nie. Czekajcie. Ej, a co się stanie, jak dam poduszkę?
Get out your gun.
Ah.
Just follow my lead. Stay right behind me.
LOL.
That was sick!
Sick as fuck. Ale... dobre. To było dobre. Ej, a mogę teraz poduszkę sobie tego... Mogę teraz tamte auto otworzyć. Otworzyć. Panie tego, tajuśku, tajojciu. No to weź, żeż... Gościu, łozdób te okno. Teraz. Dobra, lamerze, to nie rozbijaj. To panią za cycki niestety nie ma opcji. Siema harnaś. Dobra, wejrzymy co jest w aucie. Świeca! Zapłonowo. Świeca zapłonowo jest tako supernowo. Elo yo yo 320. Krynica, to moja stolica. Yo. Jestem czarny, na parkingu. Mam fajne buty, od trekkingu. Zaraz tutaj zaszczelę zombie, a potem ktoś mi sztachetą wtrąbi. Yes, please. Siema Rafał.
Spark plug. You should hold on to that. Could come in handy.
Dobra. Cisnymy. A jeszcze wejrzymy co się dzieje. Somewhere over the rainbow. Newton. Pa co będzie, pa!
It was awesome!
A wesome. That was... Pajebnie. Ale urwał! Ale to było dobre! Ej, może idzie tą świecą wydupić okno.
Let me see the spark plug. The porcelain inside these things turns car windows to tissue paper.
Co? Co? Dobra. Schlaubenzier,
That
tak
could scramble
zwany.
brain pretty good.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Exactly. Dobra. Ja myślałem, że on będzie jakoś tam krzciął tą szybkę czy coś takiego. Dobra. Wracamy się teraz, jak już mamy super uzbrojenie. Czy mi się podoba nowy hitbox? Całkiem spoko. Na czacie jest większy ordnung. Podoba mi się, że są posty oddzielone tymi kreskami i jakoś tak lepiej mi się na to patrzy. Jakoś tak. Dobra. Przejdziemy sobie tutaj na cichulca. Można wyłączyć te kreski, no ale one mi się bardzo podobają. Dobra. Pa co będzie? Ciul! Po łebie! Po łebie! Po łebie! Do oka! Scyca!
Lee, get him!
Po łebie! Do oka! Dobrze!
Nice!
Thanks for having my back.
For sure.
Aha, jak. No i dobre.
Dude, where'd your weapon go?
Into that ice big-sized hole.
Holy shit. It's cool. Now we've got this.
Are you two done?
Dobra. Bierzemy aksa. Będziemy ciulać z aksa.
That should help.
No ja walę z różdżki, a mój kolega wali z aksa.
Careful dealing with the two upstairs.
Why don't you guys lag behind just in case this goes to hell?
Okay, we'll be right behind you.
Master czułki. Bijcie master czułki. Raz, dwa, trzy. Pozdro dla kumatych. Raz, dwa, trzy. Uwaga. Uwaga. Raz, dwa, trzy. Ej, nie mogę zaatakować. A. Mogę. Raz, dwa, trzy.
Rad.
Leć się, Kamil, leć się. Raz, dwa, trzy. Bijcie master czułki.
Hello in there. We're here to help.
Please just go away.
Let's go, guys.
In a minute. If you open up, we can take you somewhere safer. We've got a group in town.
No.
She's in trouble.
Miss, we're coming in.
Uwaga! Właża!
Stop, just stop. I'm coming out.
Raz, dwa, trzy. O, jako blado.
Oh God.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Trzeba ją odstrzelić.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away. I'm bit. But you wouldn't just leave.
Let's calm down. You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die and
Po
you
tym się
come
umiera.
back and you kill anything you can
No.
find.
Po tym
You
się
have a
umiera.
boyfriend?
When?
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
To jest nie po chrześcijańsku.
What if you turn and follow us back to our group?
I know that was why I was locked away.
Zemknęłam.
I can't let this happen to me. You have a gun.
So?
Can I borrow it?
What do you mean, borrow?
Give it to me. I can just end this, and then there's no problem.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
Kurde... Dobra.
Give it to her.
What? You can't be serious.
Do it.
No!
No nie, no bo to tak, to nie chodzi o to, że... No ale wiecie, trzeba patrzeć na sprawę realnie. Babę, bajsło, zombie. Co się stanie dalej? Baba się przemieni w zombie i użre kogoś i on się zaś zamieni w zombie i będą ludzie umierać i... Dlatego do dobra ogółu jest, aby ta pani się generalnie, no, odszczeliła.
Look at her, Carly. There's no happy ending to this.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you so much. I know how terrible this must be.
We can't watch this. Let's go.
We can't go yet.
What? Why not?
Because somebody needs to pick up the gun. Can't leave it. You two go on.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, niech jej będzie ten.
You're a good man.
Smutna sprawa, no ale... No tak trzeba było, no. Kurde, taki był wyrok ulicy.
Everyone all right?
Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine and... Well, yeah. We're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
No to dobra, to do dzieła. Co tam u was?
How's he doing?
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Tnie streama? Nie wiem dlaczego. Nie powinno.
It's all melted now.
Dobra, idziemy jeszcze raz do pokoju zwierzeń. Albo pogadam z szefową. Szefa jest mądra.
Story of the century here, huh?
Yeah, and I've got shit for recording equipment. And from the looks of it, there isn't going to be any shortage of first-hand accounts.
You do radio?
That's right. Well, until some piece of shit politicians yank our funding, and I hit the blogosphere.
I better get back to it.
Yep.
Thanks, by the way.
Don't mention it. Just remember what I said.
Yeah, I will.
Szefowa mądra. Baterie na odwrót. No, ale oprócz tego... Oprócz tego błędów nie było.
How's your finger, Clem?
Good. It doesn't hurt so much anymore.
Good. I know I'm not your dad, but if you need anything, I'm your guy, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Same.
You're my guy?
Oh, no. You know.
We're gonna try to take care of each other.
Yes. Deal.
Let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
How you doing, Glenn?
Glenn?
You know.
Back to the motorhead.
How can it be that bad so fast?
Nagrywam na
when
tubkę.
things are taken away, people do crazy shit.
I guess, but that's not me. I'm not giving up. Not for anything.
Good, man. Good.
You let her do it, you know. You said give her the gun.
I know I did.
Why the hell would you do that?
She was dead anyway, all bitten up like that. It was over for her.
You better hope you're never bitten then.
No shit.
No shit.
Do you know the combination for the lock on the gate outside?
Why?
Oh, you know. I thought I'd go stretch my legs.
You're probably better off breaking it if you have to.
Aha. Pozdrawiam mamę od Agi na YouTubie.
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
Yeah, I
Forget it, man. That's your business.
I hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man. Try to get some rest.
Yeah, right.
Dobra, ja tu sobie zakończę odcinek na YouTube'a, bo potem go nie będę mógł przesłać. Także zapraszam do zostawienia swojej opinii pod tym filmem, jeżeli ktoś to obejrzał, i ewentualnie do zobaczenia w następnym cięcie.